it would be very difficult for you to, let's say, do a 2-hour intraday repo because, trying to reconcile whether cash has moved, securities has moved, and unwinding it all back will take a lot longer than 2 hours.
Well, a few years ago, crypto assets and cryptocurrencies were in a way put as an alternative to fiat money. I think that battle has been won. Technology doesn't make for trusted money.
This eliminates the problem of intermediaries who breaking the chain by not passing on the complete data. Therefore, members can choose to benefit more quickly from rich data without needing to wait for all the parties in the payment chain to be ISO 20020.
Enjoy the ride, pal.
If you got some bags, welcome to the party. Welcome back to some more Moon o'clock news. No breakfast, no coffee, just straight extra. Bullishness. Shout out to latest sub T Harris in the building. Appreciate you stopping by. Stuffing some bags. Go ahead. Throw on those moon suits. Throw on those pilot shades. Buckle up, because the future's extra. Bullish. Let's go full speed, full throttle into the cryptoverse. We got the total global cryptocurrency market cap today at 1.24 trillion, up almost 2% in the past 24 hours. We got XRP here in that number 6 spot, right around 46 cents, up about 1.3 in the past 24. We got BTC right around 29K, ETH right around 19 hundo, Stellar XLM right around 9 cents. Our Flare Networks here right around 3 cents, up about 0.5% in the past 24. We got Songbird here right around 0.00896648. Ripple says supercharged crypto for business, designed for enterprise customers. Ripple's liquidity hub simplifies crypto management for every business through a streamlined API. Get started here, all running on the XRP ledger. We got Big Brad Garland in the house. Team Ripple and I are headed to Dubai FinTech Summit next week. I'll be on stage to discuss all things crypto, utility, and what's needed. First and foremost, a regulator that's actually providing clarity to drive it forward. Brad Garland House, Dubai FinTech Summit, May 8th through the 9th, 2023. We got Riz XRP onward. XRP. Crypto starter Ripple seeking a license in Ireland to drive the EU expansion. Is Ireland the next XRP quarters for instant settlement? We got Anthony Welfare. Ripple was ranked number 1 and an established leader for CBDCs from 15 vendors in a recent report, highlighting the significant transaction growth to 213 billion by 2030 globally. XRP, all the money, all the value. We got CoinDesk. SEC Gov pulled the rug out under a planned definition of digital asset in its latest rulemaking, saying it deleted the reference because the regulator is continuing to consider this term. SEC changes its mind on officially labeling digital assets. Gary, you still there? We got CoinDesk. The US SEC Gov has been ordered by a court to respond to Coinbase's complaint over how it applies security laws to digital assets. The deadline refers to the SEC's requirement to provide a legal basis for why it's not responded to the petition. We got the evidence. Get those jumpsuits. Get those jail cells ready. US court orders the SEC to respond to Coinbase allegations within 10 days. Crypto Granny, Susie Trader, regional banks getting smashed today. We got Mr. Man XRP Navila of JP Morgan speaking to the multi-asset ledger.
Our regular core banking systems, which are layer 1. That's already happening. The second place where it's
just to confirm that, then the actual settlement takes place in your traditional banking system, and this is more than just an enabler of information and value to transfer among them.
Not really, Jim. That is where this is different. This is a new subledger which has been introduced into the bank, which sits at the same level as the other core banking system and feeds the general ledger.
Okay.
So when money moves on this subledger on this JPM coin system, the settlement is final. Okay. So you don't have the need to actually go off chain. So there is no mirroring of any sort which is happening. So that is one. And there has been examples in the past of Signet or Silvergate Exchange Network, SEN, of networks of this sort which no longer exist. So this is in the same vein, but it does more and it does that at scale. Where it is also come into being is as part of a multi-asset ledger. So products like intraday repo, where you have a repo transactions for 2 hours or 3 hours, That is where both the JPM coin as cash on chain and the tokenized securities in a single block, you have basically the exchange done in an atomic fashion. That is what makes products like intraday repo happen. If you were to do it with traditional systems, it would be very difficult for you to, let's say, do a 2-hour intraday repo because, trying to reconcile whether cash has moved, securities has moved, and unwinding it all back will take a lot longer than 2 hours.
Some crypto interact with traditional financial systems. They should be valued and regulated. Crypto is used as an alternative to money. Bitcoin, I think that battle has been won. Tech doesn't make for trusted money. G20 regs are around the corner.
Focusing on the exchanges. The exchanges are key. How some of these activities interact with the traditional financial system. Some should be valid, some should be tolerated, and those are the ones we should regulate.
What do you think is impacting the views of central bankers the most right now when it comes to the crypto ecosystem? I mean, how much of it has to do with the FTX incident, for instance?
Well, a few years ago, crypto assets and cryptocurrencies were in a way put as an alternative to fiat money. I think that battle has been won. Technology doesn't make for trusted money. The most important aspect is for these activities not to have a systemic impact. At the end of the day, if this grows dramatically and we have events like FTX, that at some point could have a systemic impact. And that's something that we want certainly to prevent.
India, which is hosting the G20, is pushing for greater regulation on cryptocurrencies. What conversations are you expecting at the G20 and where are they in those conversations?
I would say the most important body of the G20 that has to do with financial activities is the Financial Stability Board. The Financial Stability Board, where ministers of finance, regulators, central banks get together and they decide, I would say, the main rules of the game, I would say, for the international financial system. I anticipate a strong statement in favor of regulation. It will be up to each country to decide which particular approach they will follow in terms of the alternatives that there are out there.
Panos, total market cap loss in the U.S. banking sector in 2023 is now over $2.5 trillion. 3 U.S. banks have collapsed already within 60 days, and there are more coming. What's the solution? XRP. From Swift, the transaction management platform will allow the use of APIs for exchanging ISO 222 transactions and value-added services from trusted third parties.
The platform, James, will enable the adoption of ISO 20022 for cross-border payments to be carried out in a smoother and less disruptive way. Based on the concept of transaction management, the platform will maintain full ISO 20022 transaction data that any authorized party in the payment chain can access. This eliminates the problem of intermediaries who breaking the chain by not passing on the complete data. Therefore, members can choose to benefit more quickly from rich data without needing to wait for all the parties in the payment chain to be ISO 20022 enabled. The platform provides coexistence till November 2025, and financial institutions can adopt ISO 20022 at their own pace. We also allow for the use of standardized APIs, both for exchanging transactions with the platform or for value-added services which can be provided by Swift or by a trusted third party onto the platform.
Trusted third parties, such as the RippleNet. Expector, Las Vegas parcels are live. 3 choices at amazing discounts: large, 50% discount; medium, 45% discount; small, 200 plots, 40% discount. What happens in the Vegas parcel stays in the Vegas parcels. Buy now. We got Descent wallets ready for the Web3 experience. Our all-in-one card is about to be released. Here's the key features. Here's why you'll love it. We got Descent's all-in-one wallet, the ultimate hardware wallet for the EVM-compatible networks. Coinbase assets on May 15, 2023, Gala Games will depreciate the existing Gala version 1 and issue Gala version 2 under a new contract address. What does this mean for you? We got Gala version 2. The official token of the Gala ecosystem is getting a shiny new contract. We got JD. XRP still hasn't crossed the MACD. MACD is a lagging indicator. In the past, XRP took a year to 8x to 692x in price after the cross, worth the wait. Make sure to take calculated profits and ignore all the narratives when that time comes. Unfortunately, many will not and get wrecked. We got CoinsKids has crypto 2023. So far, so good. We just saw Pepe explode. It's beginning under your nose. Yet people still remain negative, bearish on the crypto markets. The bull is winning. Ride the bull. DXY is showing you that the boom is bubbling up. 2017, we rocketed. 2020, we rocketed. 2023, get ready for those rockets to take flight. Sentiment feed was the latest Fed rate hike. All just one massive sell rumor by the news phenomenon for crypto traders. We can often overreact to a repeated news event when previous ones have correlated with drops. Read our insights on the optimistic outlook. And with that being said, bag man, bag ladies, it's pretty incredible to think about how small the crypto community is. Only 4.5% of the entire world's population is invested in it, and even fewer people are invested in XRP. We may be part of a small community, but we're part of something special. Cheers to us. Those who have eyes on the prize are loading up on the greatest of them all, the transformation of all value. Where will you be when the greatest transformation of wealth occurs? Will you have those bags packed, locked and loaded, or will you be on the sidelines watching those rockets take flight? Moon party coming up. We got the Brad Kimes event coming up. Expector dinner coming up tonight. We'll see you out here in Vegas for the moon party. I am the XRP Bagman, the Moon Commander. Currently up here on the mothership, stuffing some bags and enjoying the show. Appreciate you stopping by, tuning in, smashing those likes for some more Moon O'Clock News. Hope y'all continue to stay extra bullish out there. Continue holding those good vibes. Remember to sell the FUD, buy up those bags. Don't forget to spread that liquid love. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to drop a subscribe, drop a comment down below. All the OG diamond hands out there, drop a comment down below, drop an elbow on that like button. From the top rope, catch you up here, top floor, on the mothership in Vegas, Saturday for the moon party. BYOB, bring your own bags. Peace out, crypto ghosts.
The party on the moon, and I know you heard the boom. Why she want my bags now? Hey, why she want my bags now? There's a party on the moon, and I know you heard the boom. Why she want my bags now? Why she want my bags now? Hey.
Today is a day, so let's moon party. Looking good and jaw-dropping, never cocky. Wearing moon suit, up and away. Intergalactic, into outer space. Celebrating love and digital wealth. You got love behind, all you got is